guys, today I made a very interesting look, just keep on watching. I first apply the primary color 5 on the lids from the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. You may see it's really messy applied, but that's okay because we're gonna fix it later. What you have to do is blend it real good and just blend until your hand can't blend anymore, until it hurts. That's the most important part of working with lipsticks. Afterwards, I'm gonna apply the shade Infinity from the Luminous Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, just to buff the edges. Then I'm gonna use the Nightlife eyeshadow palette from Sigma and apply the deep black all over my lid. And also that it doesn't have to be real neat or anything, just messy, just apply it like however. But the key thing to this is you gotta blend it like real hard. It's a tough shade to blend because it's black. All blacks are hard, but just blend it till your hand falls off. And now I'm gonna use Mother's House from the Zoeva Aristo palette and apply it all over my lid to create it a more bluish tone, and it's gonna look real neat. And when I'm done, I'm gonna apply my foundation, my lashes, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe and like and comment. Bye!